Hi everyone. The illuminated LED door sills for Tesla are a real eye-catcher, but the price for the original ones kept me from buying. I'm glad that I found third-party door sills, which are not only half the price, you also get a set of 4 for the front and rear doors. Let me show you in my review. So what's in the box? The illuminated door sills arrived securely packed. 2 short strips for the rear doors, a bag with installation accessories, there's even a bag with replacement parts, and a manual for the installation, and 2 long LED sills for the front doors. You can find the packaging list and all details in the video description below. I ordered them in matte black to fit the styling of my Tesla Model Y, with the third-party wheel covers and the black mirror caps installed. The welcome sills are also available in brushed black and brushed silver. Of course, they are also available for Tesla Model 3. The quality is good and it appears to be sturdy made. The Model Y font looks just like the original one. On the back side there are 2 openings for the batteries, more on that later, and 2 3M adhesive stickers to apply them on the car. Let's take a look on how to install them. The manufacturer states that you can attach them onto the original door sills on the front doors. As you can see, when you try to place them, they actually snap in. In the installation video for the original Tesla illuminated sills, they removed them. You don't have to do that, the doors are not touching the sills. First, make sure to clean the area so you can ensure the adhesive sticks well on the surface. Pay attention to the sticker indicating right and left side. FL stands for front left from the driver's perspective. Tear off the film of the adhesive, align with the original sill, and firmly press on the area where the adhesive is located. Now you need to install the magnets that switch on and off the light, and therefore you need the bag with the installation accessories. There are adhesive ring pads which you need to place on the sticker that is already applied on the door sill next to the letter Y. Be sure that the adhesive side faces upwards. When you now close and open the door, the pad is gone. It now marks the spot on the door where the magnets need to be attached. Tear off the magnet from the door sill and stick it inside the ring, which you can remove afterwards. In the installation bag is also a protection film which you need to stick onto the magnet. And you're done. Very simple installation that only takes a few minutes, no wiring is needed. Take off the protection film from the LED door sills, and when you reopen the door, the logo is already lit. On the rear door there are no sills straight from the factory, but it's easy to find the right spot. When moving around the illuminated door sill, you find the spot where it aligns flat on the frame and you just need to adjust it with the lower edge. Again, remove the film from the adhesive, align the sill with the frame and edge. You can gently move it around a bit and then firmly press the area where the adhesive is located for a bit. Place the adhesive ring pad onto the sticker applied on the door sill with the adhesive facing upwards. Close and open the door. Stick the magnet inside the adhesive pad and remove it afterwards. Cover the magnet with the adhesive protection film. Remove the protection film from the door sill, and as soon as you close and open the door, the Model Y logo shines. Same as the original Tesla illuminated door sills, they are powered with batteries. Either 2 CR2032 or CR2430 batteries. On the livery, CR2032 were fitted on the back sills, while CR2430 batteries were fitted on the front LED sills. Since the CR2430 have a larger capacity, I would choose them when I first need to replace them. So what happens if you run out of battery? Just firmly pull on the LED sills. Don't worry, there is some resistance, but they detach from the mounts that stay on the car. This way you can easily change the batteries and the sills need no wiring. The connectors stick really tight on the car, that's great. Then click them back on. I expect them to last for a while. I'll let you know in the video description when I first run out of battery. I really like the illuminated door sills as they are a great eye catcher. Not so much during daylight, but it's a great effect when it's getting darker. To save battery, they turn off about 30 seconds after you open the door. My son always steps on the painted frame when climbing inside the Tesla, so they also add protection to the painting on the rear doors.
Accidentally, I ordered 2 sets of the Illuminated door sills. That's why I decided to do a little giveaway. So what do you need to do to win? Simply, just subscribe to my YouTube channel and drop me a line in the comments and I'll pick one of the funny comments.
I hope you enjoyed my video. Subscribe if you want to see more reviews of Tesla accessories, like my wheel covers for example, or my Tesla tips and tricks in the YouTube shorts. Thanks for watching and see you soon.